DIY home renovation, a step-by-step guide. Are you tired of the same old look of your home and want to give it a fresh new look? Well, you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to hire a professional renovation company. With a little effort, time, and patience, you can do it yourself DIY and save a lot of money. However, before you start renovating, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Here is a step-by-step guide to DIY home renovation. Step 1. Plan and budget. Before starting any DIY home renovation project, you must plan and set a budget. This step is crucial because it will determine what you can and cannot do during the renovation process. Make a list of all the things you want to renovate and prioritize them according to your needs and budget. Do research on the materials you need, their cost, and where you can find them. Be realistic about your budget, and do not forget to include unexpected costs that may arise during the renovation process. Step 2. Safety first. Before you start any DIY renovation project, make sure you have the proper safety gear, such as gloves, goggles, and a dust mask. If you are working with power tools, make sure you read the instruction manual carefully and follow the safety guidelines. Keep your work area clean and organized to avoid accidents and injuries. Step 3. Demolition and preparation. If you are planning to renovate a room, start by removing all the furniture and other items from the space. You can either store them in a separate room or cover them with a protective sheet. Then, start demolishing any unwanted walls, flooring, or fixtures. Make sure you have the necessary tools, such as a hammer, pry bar, and saw. Once the demolition is complete, clean the area thoroughly and prepare it for the renovation process. Step 4. Electrical and plumbing. If your renovation project involves any electrical or plumbing work, it is best to hire a professional. However, if you have the necessary skills and experience, you can do it yourself. Make sure you turn off the main power and water supply before starting any electrical or plumbing work. Follow the safety guidelines and use the right tools and materials. Step 5. Flooring and painting. Once the electrical and plumbing work is complete, it is time to install new flooring and paint the walls. Choose the type of flooring that suits your needs and budget, such as laminate, hardwood, or tile. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully when installing the flooring. When painting the walls, choose the right type of paint and color that complements the new flooring. Step 6. Install fixtures and appliances. The final step is to install the fixtures and appliances, such as lights, switches, cabinets, and countertops. Make sure you measure the space accurately and choose the fixtures and appliances that fit perfectly. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully when installing the fixtures and appliances. In conclusion, DIY home renovation is a great way to give your home a fresh new look without spending a lot of money. However, it requires a lot of effort, time, and patience. Before starting any renovation project, plan and set a budget, and prioritize the things you want to renovate. Always put safety first and follow the safety guidelines when using power tools. Demolish and prepare the space before starting any renovation work. Hire a professional for any electrical or plumbing work. Install new flooring and paint the walls before installing fixtures and appliances. With these steps, you can successfully complete your DIY home renovation project and enjoy your newly renovated home.